Welcome back. In this short video, you will learn how to add queries to filter your data and return the records you need. We need to head to the Queries view located under the Data menu. We have two ways you can add a query in Five. The first is by using our Query Designer. To begin with, click the Add Item button and give your query a name. To open the designer, click in the Query field. To add tables into the designer, click the Add Table button and select your tables. You can position how you want them and even change their size. Five will display the relationships between the tables, and to select fields from the tables, double-click on the name. Once you do this, they'll be added down the bottom here where we can add modifiers and criteria to return the results we are after. Up in the top right corner is the Run button. This allows you to test your data without having to leave the designer. To hide the results, simply click the Hide Results button. If we click on the lookup in the modifier field for the date field, you see we have a number you can choose from. We'll select Group By so that our returned results will be grouped by the date. In the Item field, we'll add an alias of total and a modifier of sum. Now when we run the query again, you will see three things. There are less records as our items are now grouped by their purchase date. Our alias of total is being used as the name of the field because now we are returning the sum of all the items that are purchased on each specific date. An alias can also make your field more friendly to read, rather than having the table name and field name connected like the shopping list date field. The other way to add queries is by coming to the SQL side of the editor and adding SQL. Five has created the syntax here for us from what we added on the designer side. If you have SQL knowledge, you may prefer to write your SQL on this side. You do not need to use the backticks when writing your SQL. You can make either side of the editor take your full screen by clicking the full screen button. Once you are happy with your results, you can click the Save button in the editor. All the fields in your query will automatically get listed on the Fields page. Once you are happy with your query, click the Save button. In my next video, you will learn how to create a data view to display the results from a data source in your application.